Hey guys, you're watching Dansky, the place to be to develop your creative skills, and in this 2-minute tutorial we're going to learn how to apply a brush stroke to a path all in Photoshop. So you can see I've created a new document, and from the bottom of the layers panel I'm going to click the new layer icon and just double click on the text, give this layer a name and press return. And next I'm going to go to the toolbar on the left and select the brush tool, and from the drop down at the top you can pick a brush. You can see I've got plenty of different brushes here. I'm going to go with, I think, this one for this example, and adjust the size and the hardness and any other properties for the brush. These settings and this brush is what will be used and applied to the stroke in a moment. So when you're happy, just close that down, select the pen tool, and just make sure that the drop down at the top in the options bar is set to path. And we can then click and just draw the path with the pen tool. And this can be as simple or complex as you like. Once you're happy and you've drawn that, just right click anywhere on the path and just go down to stroke path. And you can see here we can pick from a variety of different tools to sample the settings from. We're going to use the brush tool because we've just defined that brush that we want to use. And you can also simulate pressure as well. So towards either end of the stroke will be a little bit softer and a bit fainter, and towards the center will be a little bit thicker and a bit harsher. So when you're happy, just click OK, and you can see it applies the brush settings that we defined at the beginning of the video and applies them to the stroke. And we can now go to the paths panel over on the right, and we can see the work path is currently selected. We can just click anywhere in this panel to deselect that, switch back to the layers panel, and there we go. We have our brush stroke on a separate layer, and we've applied a brush stroke to a path all in Photoshop.